Hi guys, today I will show you how to make your system a lot better for use. So this program is called Query UTVs and it's the best UTVs you can get. So you can first see your old status of the program and devices and something like that. And let's first check the one quick main instance. So we'll just scan it for issues. You can see it's scanning. While it's scanning, let's see the models. So it got a big number of programs. So you can see it's got disk cleaner, which is used to remove the unused data from your disks, and registry cleaner cleans up your registry. Oh, sorry, I opened the registry cleaner, and this fixture fixes shortcuts, the errors in shortcuts. This is a manager to uninstall programs, so if you don't have any uninstaller or something. So here is the startup manager, and this manages the programs that will start automatically when you turn on your system. Memory optimizer, it optimizes free memory. This is a manager for managing the context menu, entries, files, folders, and defrag. So here is the privacy and security. This is the track user. It cleans all your internet, cookies, history, evidences, and file shares. File share, it erases file permanently, so you cannot recover it. And file undelete. So here have your deleted items, and you just click undelete, and it basically just retrieves files from recycle bin. So file encryptor, that puts a lock on your files or password. And you here have disk analysis. It scans for your disks and some other things. And here is when you have a copy of a folder or a file which you don't need, it deletes it. And here are the if you have any junk empty folders, it deletes it too. And this file splitters and joiners, like something like defrag. But here is the process manager. I'm sure you already know this. Internet Explorer assistance and Windows Standard tools. So let's see the scanning. So I have 267 programs in my registry. So I have incorrect registry entries that are invalid or something, and I have 271.51 megabytes of temporary files, and I have 6 broken shortcuts. I have no startup entries, no spywares, no tracks user. You can see I'm pretty clean. So it's very fast. You can see it already fixed the registry and the temporary, and you can see here the help, and you can restore your settings or the thing you did. If you broke your computer some kind, you can restore it. So that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.